Good morning, dear students. All you are welcome in your today's maths class. Yesterday we have done LCM by common division method. So today we will do some word problems related to LCM. So let's see the first problem. Find the least number which when divided by 40, 50 and 60 leaves the remainder 5 in each case. Here at least read the statement up to 2 or 3 times. First of all, whenever you have to solve any word problem, my dear students, at least read the statement for 2 or 3 times. Now pay some stress on that point. What you have to find out? Here we have to find out the least number. The least number means I have to find out the LCM of these numbers. Okay, so the required number will be 5 added to the LCM of 40, 50 and 60. So first of all, we have to find out the LCM of 40, 50 and 60. Okay, so as yesterday we have already discussed about this thing. Write the numbers in a line separated by dash or commas. Okay, write the numbers in a line separated by commas or in a dash. Okay, so divide the numbers by the common prime factors of one or more numbers. So here the ones place digit I have 0, so I will start with the help of 2, right? Even numbers are there, so let's start with the help of 2. 2 20s are 40, 2 25s are 50, 2 30s are 60. I can also divide 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4, 1 is left. So as a carry you will just add here 10. 10 will become 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0. Again I have 20 and 30 here. So I will divide with the help of 2 again. 2 10s are 20 and 25 I will take it as it is, and 2 15s are 30, right? Because 25 is not divisible by 2. Write it as it is. Write it as it is, because we cannot divide 25 with 2, right? Again 10 is here. Okay, so we will again divide with the help of 2. 2 5s are 10. 25 again as it is. 15, we cannot divide 15 by 2, so write it as it is. Now again 15 is here, so we can divide first of all with 3. Then 3 5s are 15. Now only these are the multiples of 5. So let's divide 5 ones the 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 ones the 5, right? And here 5 ones are 1 as it is. 5 ones are 5. Again 1 as it is. Stop when you get all quotient equals to 1. We have to stop when we get all the quotients equals to 1, right? So here we have to ask, find the least number which when divided by 40, 50 and 60 leaves the remainder 5 in each case. Remainder 5 in each case. It means the required number will be, we will just add 5. Because remainder is 5, so we will add 5 in the required LCM, right? Here the LCM of these numbers is 600 and the required number will be 600 plus 5, that is equals to 605, right? Now let's discuss the another problem. 3 Haryana Roadways buses stop after 50, 100 and 125 km respectively, right? 3 Haryana Roadways buses stop after 50, 100 and 125 km respectively, right? If they leap together, then after how many kilometers will they stop together? For this thing, to find this distance after how many kilometers they will stop together, to calculate this distance, we have to find out the LCM of these numbers. Okay, so let's find out the LCM. Again, we will write the numbers in a line separated by dash or by commas. Okay, we can also put here dash, we can also put here commas. Okay, so as usual, divide the numbers by the common prime factors of one or two numbers, right? So here we will start with the help of 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 is left, 10 will become on the next digit. So 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0, right? 2 1s are, now here 125, we cannot divide 125 by 2. 125 is not divisible by 2, so write it as it is. Okay, so again 25 is not divisible by 2, keep it as it is. Now 2 2s are 4, 1 is left, 10 will become 2 5s are 10. Again 125 is not divisible by 2, so write it as it is. So 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 2 is left, 25 will become here, so 5 5s are 25. Now again 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, and 5 5s are 25. So at last again 1 as it is, 1 as it is, and 5 1s are 5, right? So stop when you get all the quotients equals to 1. We have to stop when we get all the quotients equals to 1, right? So LCM of 50, 100 and 125, it is equals to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. We will get 500 as the LCM. So we have to ask here, after how many kilometers will they stop together? Okay, so we can say that after 500 kilometers, the 3 buses will stop together. 3 buses will stop together. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.